Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Zazzle gift card online. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. To redeem your Zazzle gift card online, go and open up a web browser first. In the URL box located at the top of the screen, type in www.zazzle.com and press enter on your keyboard. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and once you're logged in, click on the human icon located at the upper right hand corner of the screen. From the expanded menu, click on My Account. Now, under My Account, click on Redeem a Gift Card option under Current Balance. Type in your gift card in the text box appearing on the display right under Enter Gift Card Code. Type in your 18-digit long gift card number and click on Go. Now soon after you do that, any remaining balance on your gift card will be stored in your Zazzle gift card account to make future purchases easier. Now whenever you make a purchase online with Zazzle.com, you can select your gift card as a payment method, and that way you'll be able to redeem your gift card for Zazzle.com. That is how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.